Right, here we have a Honda HRX426. Nice condition. Got a bag with it as well. Yeah, no holes in it or anything in the bag. Honda, that's the type of handle you've got on it. And quick walk around. The bag's there. Right, okay. And oh right, the fuel is switched off. Let's switch the fuel on. Right, okay, fuel is on. Choke is down. Okay. I hope there's fuel in it. We'll find out. Okay, right, I need 3 hands here. Right, let's hold the camera here. Okay. Fast and fast. Or slow. Yeah. Push both levers to go forward. Off it goes. Whoa. Yeah. Press the yellow button down and push this lever forward. And that activates the bag. And grab the other lever and push that forward. Off it goes. The blade is still spinning because this button is pressed and the lever is pressed forward. If I let go of it, the bag deflates, the blade stops spinning, and you can walk away from it. It still keeps running, you don't have to hold it. And yeah, ready to go, fully serviced, blade sharpened. I'm sorry I can't demonstrate cutting the lawn because let me switch this off. Sorry, can't demonstrate the lawn cutting because I've already cut the lawn and I don't want to cut it anymore. But the blades are sharp and it'll do the job. Perfect. There we are. Honda HRX 426 with Grassbox.